Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. Regarding this question says if the object is moving with constant speed, but in a curved or circular path, its velocity is said to be what? Constant, and acceleration equals 0. Constant and acceleration is not 0. Variable and the acceleration equals 0. Variable and the acceleration is not 0. As it's clear in front of us, the correct answer is variable and the acceleration is not 0. Okay, but the question is why? We have to focus on the following. Number one, what is velocity? We said several times that velocity is we can say if the object is moving in a straight line, we can say that the velocity is the speed in a particular direction. Okay, in other words, we can say that the velocity is composed of two components, speed and direction. Okay, so if any one of these two ones changes, the velocity will change. Okay, so if I ask you, there is an object, about an object which is moving with constant speed, can you say the velocity is constant? No, you cannot say that, except for after making sure what's happening to the direction, because even if the object has constant speed, but the direction is not constant or not fixed or not straight one direction, the velocity will be variable. The velocity will not be constant because one of the two components is changing, which is what? Which is the direction. Well, this is the first point. Let's summarize it. Let's summarize it. So if the speed changes, the velocity changes. Okay, this is logic. But if the speed is constant, while the direction is changing or variable, like curved path, circular path, any path which is not straight single path, also in this case, and although the speed is constant, we say the velocity is variable. This is the first point. The second point is what? What is the acceleration? Okay, in fact, the acceleration is not the time rate of a changing speed. No, this is a special case of the acceleration. Okay, the acceleration, the average acceleration is the change in velocity. It's the rate of changing velocity. The rate of changing velocity, or the change in velocity divided by the change in time. So any change happens to the velocity means there is an acceleration. Okay, so in this question, the object is moving with constant speed, but in circular path. Okay, so the direction is not constant, because the direction, to say the direction is constant, the object should be moving in a straight path in one direction. So any curved path, any circular path means the direction changes, so the velocity changes. So we will say, in this case, the velocity is not constant, the velocity is variable, and the acceleration exists. There is an acceleration because the velocity changes. Okay, I hope it's clear, and inshallah, I mean, see you in new question. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.